Hey guys, this is George. I'm going to go over George's Excel checkbook register. There's really just two main sections in this program, the account summary, which is what I'm on now, and the checkbook registers. So the first thing I want to talk about is the account summary. And as you can see here, I already have two accounts set up. You could add checking accounts, for example, credit card accounts, savings accounts. So let's go ahead and add a third account here. So you want to click right over here. And this is going to be a Chase checking account. And you're going to choose the account type, which in this case that's an asset. And as you can see here, the register balance is 0. So you want to go ahead and just start adding some transactions to that particular account. So you want to click right here. And you want to go ahead and add your first transaction. In this case, we want to add an account that has a beginning balance. So you want to go ahead and insert the date, and we'll say that we opened this fairly recently on 7/30. The description would be beginning balance, and the amount is $3,000. And let's say the next transaction we had was on 7/31. So we went to Walmart and we spent $150. We had to add that, put that as a negative. And then let's say we on 8/2 needed some gas, so we spent another $50 on that. And then let's add another transaction here. Let's say we got paid. Okay, we'll add just one more transaction. Let's say we went to Publix. That's a shopping center. And we spent $100 there. Okay, so that's basically how you enter the transactions. You just really need to enter 3 fields, as I did. And over here, the balance column is the running balance for that particular register. So you started off with 3,000, had a couple of expenses, it reduced, then you added your income, it went up to 4,300, and then you spent another 100, so it's down to 4,200. And the category column, it's not required, but if you want to use it, you can. This is not budget software where you set a budget and compare it to actual amounts, but you can assign things a category. Walmart, we'll assign that to groceries. Gas, salary, and groceries again. So what this allows you to do, if you choose to use the category field, is you can now click here and you can find out how much you actually spent on groceries, that particular category in this particular register. So in this case, you went to twice recently, and it'll subtotal it right here, $250 you spent on groceries. So that's the benefit of using that field if you choose to do it. I'll go ahead and clear that. So that's just an example of how you enter transactions. You can also, there's one other field I want to talk about, is this rec field. If you choose to do a reconciliation, or when you do it, you can mark the items as cleared, and as you can see, it puts a check mark over here. Very easy to see. And you can see that one item is still open, and you could see the summary of that right here. Total outstanding is that one item. I didn't check it. Your register balance, 4,200, 4,200, and total cleared is 4,300. All of these. Okay, so you can go back to the account summary. You can see your total here and a summary of those reconciliation items and that one item that's still outstanding. If I click here, rec, you can see that one item that I never checked off. Okay, and in the total of that item. So I'm going to go ahead and clear that. I can click right here. So that's a basic overview of George's Excel checkbook register.